Tingin pa ulit isang bite. The fish is better. Hindi ko alam kung siya si Shakespeare. That's a nice dog.
The mall.
Yes.
The mall. It opens around 10.
It
Yeah.
closes at 10 to
Because in the Philippines, it's sometimes it closes
or 9, 8, something
9,
like that.
10. No. In
It's too
here,
early.
depends. It depends.
Hi guys, we're vlogging. Say hello.
Here's my very handsome.
Very handsome niece.
Oh my God! Wow!
No, I'm asking you. I'm weak with
With the niece and
with the
nephew.
niece and nephew.
See, he's got blue eyes. Ethan's got brown.
Brown, yeah, I noticed it. So papunta kami ngayon sa Shakespeare. Lamig na lamig sila. They're all cold, but for me, I'm really liking the weather. So nice. Hi guys, so pupunta kami sa bahay ni Shakespeare.
Parang kala mo tropa mo lang si Shakespeare.
Kaya we're very excited. Look guys, andito kami sa Ronald Gower to Stratford. Hindi ko alam kung siya si Shakespeare. So nice. Si Mama Yu, lamig na lamig si Mama Yu. Lamig na lamig siya.
Yeah. Pero okay naman.
Parang park, no? Park ba to?
Yung park, oo.
So
We're
nice,
in
no?
Stratford upon Avon. This is the birthplace of William Shakespeare.
Oh, wow.
And also, you know, if you're travelling around in England and a name has got, say, like this is Stratford upon Avon, what it means is this is Stratford, but that's a river Avon. So it means it's on the river Avon.
On the river.
Oh.
Now you know.
The white one.
What will happen if you do?
You get sent to prison.
And you can't feed them as well.
You can feed them, yeah.
You can feed them. Okay. Because they said it's tolerable. It's not tolerable now.
Even winter, you work hard.
No, I couldn't. Yeah, para ma-view mo naman yung mga swans that are protected by the queen and king.
Hi guys. So we're gonna try the famous fish and chips with the gang in England. It's very famous. The fish and chips here, they put vinegar and salt.
Yeah.
But in the Philippines, we use tartar sauce. It's our first time to try this one. We're excited.
For this one. We'll do it like the locals.
Yeah,
The local way.
so nice. So excited. Kamusta ang lamig?
Okay na. It's warmer here inside the shop. Is it a shop or a restaurant? Yeah, it's warmer here. Kakaiba dito, it's warmer inside the restaurant.
So guys, ito ang mini nila. Just to try? Oh my God.
But it smells nice.
How do you do it?
Just put a little bit of vinegar, not too much. How do they do that, diba? Sobrang crispy na.
Oh yeah. You put more vinegar.
In the Philippines, it's only cream dory.
Wow, it's so big. Tingin pa ulit isang bite. The fish is better.
Yeah, the fish is better in the Philippines.
Hi guys! So we just finished eating their famous fish and chips. So good. The fish is so good. lang.
Marunong naman ako tumingin.
Stop it. Get some help.
This is the oldest
Building, yeah. Stratford, one of them.
one of the oldest. Wow. The brick in. Look guys, what is that, ate? That one, is that a church?
Yes, not Catholic.
Okay, it looks good. So parang itong street na puro shopping, no? So nice. Parang siyang Beverly Hills. So guys, we are now going sa bahay ni Shakespeare. Picture muna kami guys. Meron dito ang shop na puro Harry Potter. Maybe I can find a wand. And it
Wizards
says
only.
wizards only. Sorry guys. Oh my god guys, look! It's the Gryffindor sword!
Oh look, sword.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't know which one should I buy.
Tossing it from transforming to a rock.
30 quid.
I've got all the ones.
Star Wars?
Yeah, really? Oh, it's a Horcrux. Oh no, the wands! Ayun yung ano niya.
Boys and a Huntrix.
Ayaw kong payagan ni madam eh.
Ang dami-dami niyan sa Pilipinas actually.
Okay.
They will never know that it's not from London.
Boy, it's an open ano.
Sige, go.
Hi guys, we just arrived here in London.
No, we're not in London. In UK lang.
Ah, in
Kasi
UK
we are
lang.
in Leicester.
Sa tita ni Tenten.
Ganda.
Sobrang ganda. Tignan nyo yung backyard nila, guys. Yan, loko. Tignan nyo yung gano'ng kalaki yung backyard. Sabi namin kung nandito si Summer, let's go. Tatatakbo na yon. Pero siyang playhouse dito.
Ang lamig.
Ang lamig. Si Mama Yu, lamig na. Ako, ganito yung gusto kong lamig. Pero hindi naman siya super lamig eh.
Lamig,
Siguro
malamig
mga
na
around
din.
10 lang, di ba?
Mga 10. Malamig na yun. 16 nga ang normal na aircon natin. Malamig na yun eh.
Hindi, pero kasi yung lamig na na-experience sa Japan, yung bibig mo nausok na eh. Dito kami magsistay hanggang tomorrow. Dito sa bahay muna nila. Dito kami magsisleep. Ngayon tomorrow, tsaka tayo pupunta sa Oxford. And bukas din kami pupunta sa Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Ganda?
Backyard nila.
Ganda ng
Sabi
backyard
nila,
nila.
tita, everything is small here. So, ang
in-expect ko talaga, small talaga.
Ang laki naman pala ng backyard.
Ang laki, hindi naman to small. Tira nyo naman, no? Beng, pumunta ka dun sa dulo. Takbuhin mo ako. Diba? Hinaf niya na lang. Sabi ko dun sa dulo. Ay, no. Sabi ko dito kami tatambay, oh. Oo. Grabe. Look, oh. Dito na kami. So, ang ganda din ang bahay nila, no? Very nice.
May style siya.
May style.
certain
Very,
style. Victorian.
very queens and kings.
Yeah.
Ganyan. Oh, mga teacups, ganyan. Smells like green, huh? You explain it to them kasi mas kilala mo sa Shakespeare.
Actually, hindi rin siya naturo sa amin. Pero sa literature yan. Kasi
Famous siya, eh.
medyo mas kasi yan eh. Medyo kumbaga in a way, medyo millennial na rin ako. So, nung time ko, hindi na siya natuturo sa literature subjects. Pero ano yan, famous siya kasi siya yung gumawa ng Happy Man.
So, yun ang bahay ni Shakespeare, guys. Ang galing. Sana inopen nila sa public. Before daw, inopen naman nila.
They have
Yeah,
tours,
before.
but we don't
Before.
have
Pero
time.
ngayon, we don't have time kasi syempre, ito, the Shakespeare Center. Ngayon, papunta naman kami sa Oxford. Hopefully, mapuntahan namin yung mga locations ni Harry Potter. Kasi mag-aaway talaga kami ni Mama Yu. And here's my very famous tito. Golf club. Oh, that's your golf club, tita. Hi! Welcome to Leicester!
Let's
Hello.
thank our best host here, my tita and my tito Terry.
We love you.
Hello and goodbye.
Oh.
We'll see you again soon.
Next year, hopefully.
Hopefully, and their 50th wedding anniversary.
Guys, nakita na namin yung hop on, hop off. And now, we just have to buy tickets. Para makaikot na kami anywhere we like. It's unlimited for 24 hours. Feel ko dito kami maghihiwalay, guys. So, update namin kayo later. Bye! Yan ba yun yung lahat?
The Christ Church is yung hallway, the Great Hall of
Oh my God, okay.
Staircase.
And then it opens at 2. Good na good. Pwede pa tayo mag-lunch actually. Hi guys! So nandito na kami sa bilihan ng ticket. Pero dahil ang mama yun nyo, sabi DIY na lang daw. DIY pero nakalagay dun sa labas, sold out. So eto yung Christchurch. Dito dapat yung mga Harry Potter thing. Here, oh look! Pero paano kami makakapasok sa loob?
Harry Potter! It's a church inside the school. Parang the school is University of Oxford. Tapos ito yung church nila inside that. It's so big. The University of Oxford is grabe, ang ganda. Made it.
We made it, guys.
Yes, after 8-minute walk.
So ano meron sa Radcliffe camera, mama yun?
Actually, I don't know.
Basta famous siya na
Famous siya
tourist
na
spot.
tourist attraction dito. But as you can see, it's not open to the public.
Hi guys, so ngayon ang pupuntahan namin ay yung, ano pangalan, Mamayo? Ano saan tayo papunta? Yung Draco Malfoy na tree sa Harry Potter para dun man lang magka-picture ako. Uy, meron oh! Rice and noodle dishes.
It's closest. There's nothing there.
Close, oh see? Mukhang definitely mali. Doon na lang kami, left. Okay, we're back. Ito na ang last hope. I think it's here. Hindi pa rin talaga dito. Ewan ko na lang.
Huwag na lang.
Ang dami kasing puno. Asan ba yung puno ni Draco? Puno. Imagine mo, naghahanap lang kami ng puno.
Wait for it. Here it comes.
So feeling ko, ito na yon. Ito na yon, feeling ko. Ito na talaga yon. Let's go, Beng! Faster, Beng! Come on! So, ito na nga. Oh my God! Wow! Nahanap na namin. Kailangan mo lang magbayad ng 12 euros
Like, I think you can do
per
more.
person.
You can do more here.
Oo.
It's just that we don't have that much time.
Yes.
So we're in a hurry. So, yung receptionist doon is, hindi nga kasi alam na nagmamadali kami.
Gina G siya. Dito na kami, malapit na kami sa'yo, Draco. Nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Baka pagpasok dito sa magandang gate na ito. Naiinis na ako. Hindi ko mahanap yung Draco Malfoy tree. Ito na ba yun? Nalanta lang ba siya? Pero ito yun. Yun ba yun? Cloisters. May tinanungan kami, sinasabi niya cloisters. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Pero at least, ito na din yung way pauwi. Grabe ka ha. Grabe kang puno ka. Gigigil na kami. Walang daan dyan. Okay guys. Nakita ko na. Mukhang dito! It's this one! Finally! The Draco Malfoy tree! Oh my God! See? Ayan na! Ah, okay, mabilis ang picture.
Please, no! No!
Bye-bye! Ang sarap mag-aral. Bye-bye! Feeling ko isa akong Hogwarts. Isa akong student sa Hogwarts.
Draco Malfoy.
Hi, we're done. We're heading back. Gusto ko pa sanang tumambay doon, pero I'm in a hurry. Ibubuk daw kami ni Tita. Ano ibubuk mo sa amin ni Tita? Tour! Tour! Hop on, hop off tour. Grabe, ang ganda!
Oh, di ba?
And then Tita, active to, di ba Tita? Oo! Diyan kami matutulog actually, sa loob. May chance kami makapasok sa loob. At yung ibang parts sa loob. I mean sa mismong loob ng castle Tita, or sa labas lang din.
Alam mo, 20 years ago ang last na punta ko dyan, kaya hindi ko alam.
Ah, baka ano na sila ngayon.
Yung bisita namin last year, pumasok din namin. Ano? Okay naman, sa akin lang.
Guys, kakarating lang namin dito sa Windsor Hotel. Nilibre kami ng tita ni Tenten. Gift daw sa amin para sa honeymoon. So, dito kami sa Windsor Hotel. Kakarating lang namin makalat. At mag-ayos kami ng aming mga luggages. Ayan si Mama Yo, bagsak. See? Yan lang quick tour. Diba? So, ang kaharap nito ay yung Windsor Castle na tomorrow pupuntahan natin tomorrow morning.